Welcome to our episode of the Joe Rogan Experience. Just kidding. Today on Parrot Talk, we're going to talk about something a little different: proper nutrition and diet for most species of parrots. Now, as you all know, parrots are incredibly intelligent and social animals, and they deserve the best possible care when it comes to their diet. Unfortunately, many people don't realize the importance of providing a balanced and varied diet for their feathered friends. First and foremost, let's talk about what types of food should be included in a healthy diet for our parrots. These birds are naturally herbivores, so they should be fed a variety of fruits, vegetables, and leafy greens. Some great options include apples, carrots, broccoli, and kale. In addition to these fresh foods, it's important to provide a high-quality, fortified pellet as the base of the diet. These pellets should be made from natural ingredients and provide all the necessary vitamins and minerals that your parrot needs to thrive. It's also important to keep in mind that parrots love to forage, so offering a variety of different textures and shapes of food can help keep them engaged and stimulated. You can also offer a variety of nuts, seeds, and other high-fat foods as occasional treats. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that parrots have a very high metabolism, so it's important to provide them with enough food to maintain a healthy weight. This means that you should be offering your parrot fresh fruits and vegetables every day and always have fresh water available. Another thing to keep in mind is that parrots are social animals, so they should be fed in a social setting. This means that if you have multiple parrots, they should all be fed together, and you should spend some time interacting with them while they eat. Finally, it's important to remember that parrots are incredibly sensitive to changes in their diet, so it's best to stick to a consistent diet and only make small changes at a time. In summary, feeding a parrot a balanced and varied diet is crucial for their overall health. This diet should consist of fresh fruits, vegetables, and leafy greens, a high-quality fortified pellet, and occasional high-fat foods as treat. It is also important to remember that parrots are social animals and need to be fed in a social setting and with a consistent diet. If you would like more information, visit my channel to view full episodes of the Parrot Talk series. We appreciate you tuning in, and we hope you'll join us next time for more Parrot Talk. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our content. It sure helps us out if you click the like button if you found this information helpful. Comment below if you have any suggestions for future episodes. And remember, a healthy parrot is a happy parrot.
Until next time, enjoy some footage of our flock member, Zazu.